Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I plan and pack my outfits for my upcoming trip for Miami and LA. And I'm gonna give you my 5 key style tips on how to pack smart, travel light, while always looking put together. Style tip number 1, check the weather before you start packing. That's so important to understand what will be the weather at the location and at the time when you will be there, to pick the right fabrics and clothes, to understand whether you will need jackets in the evenings and how hot or cold it will be during the day. That's always the starting point. And since I'm traveling to Miami in the summer, it's gonna be really hot, so I'm going to be planning some more like lighter, like spaghetti strap dresses. And then in LA, it's gonna be a little bit cooler in the evening, so then I have some layering. Style tip number 2, plan your outfits up front. My recommendation will be a couple of weeks or at least a week upfront your travels. Make sure to have a rail, especially if you have a bigger wardrobe. Rails are so helpful, and line up the looks you're thinking about or the looks you're planning to take at your holiday. And then if you have some separates, put them together with some tops so you can see how everything coordinates. So for example, for my Miami and LA trip, I have planned a mini capsule. So I do have these shorts, which I'm gonna style probably during the day with a simple knit cami. And then I will be attending probably a daytime like smarter party. So I'm gonna be styling them with like this top from Norma Kamali, which is gold. And then however, I'm going to be packing this jacket as well, so this will go very nice with the jacket, almost like a two-piece suit. And I also have a blouse in the same palette, so maybe for dinner I can do that. So one bottom goes with many tops, and the jacket is versatile and I can throw it on all the outfits. That's what you should be aiming for in terms of like creating a capsule wardrobe, so you can mix and match the items in between. When you plan your outfits, it's helpful to know what you will be doing during your holiday, ideally day by day. For example, would you be going for some sightseeing, or would you be attending some smarter places? Would you be going to dressy places or casual places? That's important for you to pack the right items in order to look appropriate for the places you're attending. So for me, I'm going to be doing some sightseeing. I'll be doing some like outings in the evening, maybe some parties, so I have some evening wear, and I do have some daytime looks as well. So for example, one of my favorite evening looks at the moment is this yellow dress from Rebeca Vallance, and I have shown it on my Instagram, so probably you have seen it there. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because there I do share more style tips about planning your looks and always looking put together. So for example, with this dress, if I want a little bit of layering, I can do color blocking and I can throw my Zara blazer on top, and that will look cool and kind of smart for the evening. Or I can wear it on its own. Maybe if I decide to put it on in Miami, it will be alright, but in LA I might mix and match it with the blazer. And same thing, I do have another dress, which is like sequin dress from Needle and Thread. And again, I can pair it with the pink linen blazer from Zara, and that will be a good combo. I also do have a few less dressy outfits for the nights when I will be doing more casual dinners. So for example, I do have this black and white print pair of trousers, and I'm planning to style it maybe with a strapless top, and then it will go again with the pink jacket to add a pop of color. So make sure you plan your outfits in a way that the layering pieces are versatile, and ideally if you travel for up to a week, you could be really taking 1 or 2 jackets which go with all the looks. Style tip number 3, do flat lays or photos of the complete looks. It's really important, ideally, for you to try the outfits before you travel at home and maybe do some selfies to remember the combinations, and make sure to accessorize them with like jewelry, shoes, sunglasses, and plan the complete look. The best thing is to try them, but If you don't have the time, you can also do flat lace, and I will show you an example of what flat lay means. Basically, it's like laying down the top and the bottom with the matching accessories, shoes and bag, so you can do a photo. In this way, during your holiday, you can just create a folder with all your flat lace of the outfits you're taking. So basically you can just scroll through your outfits folder, pick the outfit the night before and prep it so it's ready. So in this way you'll be much more organized and you wouldn't waste time on mixing and matching, dressing up and styling your looks, so you enjoy your holiday while looking put together. Style tip number 4 will be to minimize the number of accessories and more specifically the number of bags and shoes you're packing. Usually bags and shoes take the most space in your suitcase, so for me it's important, if I want to travel light, to actually pick a couple of shoes which go with all my looks and maybe a few bags which do the same job. Bag wise, again, I will try to pack just a few bags, and during the day I was thinking to pack a bag which is not a designer bag, so it's something more relaxed, but I love it. It's like this pearl bag from Zara, and I feel it's perfect for traveling because literally it doesn't take a lot of space, and you can wear it crossbody, or in the evening you could do it like a cocktail bag. And I feel white goes with my wardrobe, and generally white is great for summer, so for me that will be probably a go-to daytime bag. And in the evening I might do another purse or maybe a smarter bag. And another daytime bag I would also be packing is my pink tote, which I love. And actually the reason I'm packing this is because it's perfect for my airport style, and I'm planning to do maybe a athleisure look, so I'm gonna do a tonal look with this, or I will do like this aloe yoga jacket with matching pants, and again this will be a pop of color, and I'll be able to wear it during the day as well. Also it coordinates well with my trainers which I'm planning to pack, so definitely I'll be doing a couple of athleisure looks and more sporty looks during the day. Probably I would even like dress down my tailored linen trousers and do something like more relaxed. While you're planning your outfits and styling them and doing the flat lace, I usually test different shoes, and what I always aim for traveling is to minimize how many pairs of shoes I'll be packing. I know this is difficult because usually different looks do go with different shoes, right? But for example, one of my most versatile pairs is this gold pair of like strap sandals, and it does go with my yellow dress. I can pair it with my sequin dress. I can pair it with the pink linen blazer, and it's actually with a matching trouser, so that will be like a suit look. And I can even wear it with the black and white look as a metallic accent. So that's my advice to you ladies, like think about versatile shoes and aim to pack a couple of shoes which go with all your looks. So for the evening, for me a mid-heel is appropriate and comfortable, and I do advise you to consider a metallic pair of heels or sandals, because indeed they're super versatile and they will help you to pack smart and travel with less items and look put together. If you're going to be doing sightseeing during your holiday, it's really important to have comfortable shoes for the daytime, and for me this is my pair of Valentino slides. I have mentioned them before in my videos, but I find this really comfy, so I can certainly walk for a couple of hours. And again, like white is super versatile for my wardrobe, it goes with everything. Like I will pair them probably with my denim skirt, them with a midi dress for daytime. And I think it's important that every lady has this comfortable flat pair of shoes. Full of other pairs of shoes, I love espadrilles for summer, and this is actually a comfortable wedge heel. This one in metallic gold is from CASTANER, so I will definitely pack it for some of my daytime looks because I can actually walk in this and it looks smart. And another option for an evening look will be a white mule style midi heel. I love this particular pair, again it goes with so much. And when you pick shoes which don't have straps around the ankle and just like a front straps, they really elongate the legs, so I think it will look flattering with most of the dresses. Ultimately, my key style tip when you pack for upcoming holiday is to avoid last minute packing, and that's why, ladies, I have created my summer holiday checklist with the must-have items you always need when you travel for a summer holiday, regardless if you're going for a holiday in Europe during the summer or you're going for a sunshine getaway to like tropical islands. The basic clothes you need for a summer resort wear capsule are the same. So make sure to subscribe to my newsletter and you will receive access to this unique checklist. It's all with timeless pieces, so once you have them, you can use them for every upcoming trip when you travel in the sunshine. Pack the Marie Kondo method and fold your items vertically, so when you open your suitcase you can see everything that you have with you and you can quickly grab something. And if it's organized the Marie Kondo method, it won't ruin the rest of your like suitcase in terms of organization. I would include a couple of photos of how Marie Kondo organizing method looks like, but it's basically the idea that you'd, for example, grab this pair of trousers. So fold it in a way that you can stack it horizontally in your wardrobe. Again, I will try to film how I do it, so you see it, guys, in a little video. But it's really easy, and for me, revolutionary method to pack, because it really helps me to not make a mess when I open my suitcase when I arrive at the destination. Stay organized. Make sure that the clothes don't crease too much, and it's really, for me, so much better, so make sure you give it a go. Ladies, if you have upcoming holidays or travels and you need help with planning and packing your holiday wardrobe so you travel light, pack less, and look amazing during your travels, make sure to contact me, because I have recently introduced a new styling service called Style and Pack. So I can do all these 5 steps for you. I can help you plan your outfits. I can help you like organize them. I can help you minimize the shoes, so pick a couple of accessories which go with everything. And I can even bring my team, so we can pack your suitcase while we are doing the styling, and by the end of the session you will have your suitcase ready to go. As part of this session, I also identify if you're missing some key items which will help you to have a complete outfit. These could be basics or accessories, and I'll send them to you later as shopping links. You can plan and pack your wardrobe just in a few hours and save you lots of time. Ladies, I know you're always interested in what I wear. Today I'm actually wearing a midi linen dress from Ghost London, and I have paired it with Zimmermann leather belt and like Misoma earrings. I'm gonna include a photo, and I know you are always interested in my looks, so I'm going to be posting some of these outfits from Miami and LA, so make sure to link and connect with me on Instagram. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe and share it, and stay tuned for my next video. Black pair of shoes.